Here with me I've got the brand new DEWALT Flextorq bits. These bits are designed to be used on an impact driver. The bits also feature what we call a flex zone that sends all the force to the tip of the bit. With all the force sent to the tip of the bit, this means there's reduced load on the driver and your bit will last more longer. The full fit head eliminates wobbling and rounding of the tip. The tension zone maximizes the life of the bit and also the turning force. We've got two FlexTorq bit sets. The one is a 37-piece assortment and the other is the 15-piece PZ2 bulk pack. So how do you identify the 15-piece set? You'll identify it with the part number DT70618T and also on the packaging Extreme FlexTorq. With it comes a magnetic holder, 15-piece PZ2 bits that can also fit in your caddy. Safe, secure, not going anywhere. So now you can start building your range.